lock, unlock, start.
So we have got a lot to cover today because I managed to get my hands on the all new TVS Apache. So without wasting any further time, let's start. So I would like to start with the power because TVS is marketing this bike as a racer bike. The bike has a 197.75cc oil-cooled 4-stroke engine, maximum power of 20.5 PS at 8500 rpm. So let's talk about the aggressive look of the bike. The engine curve is well chiseled and it adds on to the aggressive character of this bike. The headlight has an all-day on LED light. Although if the bike had the 3D graphics Apache name on it, then it would have been totally a cherry on the cake. The front suspension looks decent enough with the bronze coated on it. This bike comes with two options, that is carburetor and a fuel injected one. Although I have a carburetor version with me, RTR, where the RTR stands for Racing Throttle Response, is a perfect combination of a track focused bike and a daily commuter one, which has been refined to its best by the TVS. The bike comes with TVS Ramora tires and an option of world-class Pirelli tires. The bike has 270mm disc brake in the front and 240mm pedal disc brake in the rear. The gun-shaped silencer not only looks good but also sounds good, and I have an exhaust note at the end of this video, so make sure to check it out. The bike has a ram air assist. Now what it does, it takes air from the front and takes it all the way to the engine to cool it by 10 degree. Coming to the profile of the bike, the split seats are neatly laid out and the material used in the bike is just about perfect, which is neither too soft nor too hard. The bike has a lot of things to offer in and around its price range. Talking about the instrument console, this bike has got all the basic switches like the engine kill switch, the high beam flasher, passing light, turn indicators, etc. The owner of this bike has done some changes on the instrument console, like he has got the hazard light switch and also a security system for his bike. The center of attraction of the bike has a neat RTR insignia on it.
Lock, unlock, start. Lock.
The engine being of 200cc has a peak torque of 18.1 Nm at 7000 rpm. TVS has almost given everything that it has to this bike, and I believe that this bike is a jewel in the crown in this price range. If you have 1 lakh rupees and you're looking for a sports bike, then this is what you need. Other close rivals of the Apache are the Bajaj Pulsar 200 NS and the AS. So there is a link in the description to compare this bike with the other bikes. So make sure you check it out. The center of attraction for this bike definitely has to be the muscular fuel tank, and the GT stripe completes its animalistic character. The instrument console has a lot of things. It says race on as the bike is turned on. So that was all the technical part. Now let's talk about the riding of this bike. Now I did get to ride this bike for a short spin, So as soon as you grab the handle of the bike, you definitely get the feel of the sports bike. I must say that I was really amazed with performance of this bike. Throttle response was amazing, engine was refined, gear shift was smooth, dual pedal disc were doing amazing job of braking. Today when most of the 150 to 160cc segment bike cost around 1 lakh, at the same price we are getting a 200cc naked street fighter. So that was it guys for this short review video. If you like the video, press the like button, and if you are new here, I would love to have you guys subscribe. Alright guys, so it's time to say goodbye. Take care, ride safe.
लॉक है रबर, ये अनलॉक है। इसको 2 बार क्लिक करेगा तो गाड़ी चालू होगा और ये इससे सायरन बजेगा।